Trying to sleep in a stuffy 80-degree bedroom is basically a form of torture. I've spent the last few weeks swapping units in and out of my window, testing noise levels and actual cooling power, so you don't have to guess. I bought the 5 most popular models to see which ones actually keep you cool without sounding like a jet engine.
Product number 1. Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Window AC. When I first pulled this Amazon Basics unit out of the box, I was surprised by how light it is. It's a compact little cube, and I didn't need any help lifting it onto the windowsill. The build is pretty straightforward. No fancy touchscreen here, just 2 mechanical knobs that feel nice and clicky. It feels like a throwback, but in a reliable, this won't break kind of way. During my testing in my small home office, which is about 120 square feet, this thing was a little workhorse. I turned the dial to the max, and within 15 minutes, the humidity was gone and the air felt crisp. It's got 7 temperature settings, and I found that setting it right in the middle was the sweet spot for keeping things comfortable without freezing myself out. The noise level sits at 56 decibels, which is like a steady hum. It didn't bother me while I was working, though you definitely know it's there. The filter slides right out of the side, so I just rinsed it in the sink and popped it back in. Super easy. If you're looking for something cheap and effective for a small bedroom or a kid's room, this is your best bet. It's basic, but it gets the job done without any fluff. The setup was a breeze too, but if you need something that moves with you from room to room, you might want to look at a portable option.
Product number 2. Shinko 8000 BTU Portable AC. I moved this Shinko unit into my guest room because I didn't want to deal with another window install. The first thing I noticed was the weight. It's got some heft to it, but the 4 casters on the bottom glide really smoothly over my hardwood floors. The plastic casing feels solid, and the LED display on top is bright and easy to read from across the room. Performance-wise, this 8000 BTU unit packs a punch. It's rated for up to 200 square feet, and it cooled down my guest room way faster than the smaller window units. What I really loved was the sleep mode. When I hit that button, the fan slowed down and the noise dropped to about 55 decibels. It also does this smart thing where it slightly increases the temperature every couple of hours, so you don't wake up shivering at 3 a.m. The self-evaporating system is a lifesaver. I didn't have to empty a water bucket once during a humid week. This is the one to get if you live in an apartment where you can't have a permanent window unit, or if you just want something you can wheel into the kitchen during the day. While the Shinko is great for mobility, sometimes you just want something that sits in the window and stays out of the way, which brings me to a classic brand I've trusted for years.
Product number 3. Frigidaire 5000 BTU Window-Mounted AC. There's something about the Frigidaire name that just feels dependable, and holding this unit confirmed it. The plastic grills feel a bit thicker and more premium than the Amazon Basics model. It's a small unit, perfect for those standard windows, and the side panels have a nice tight seal that didn't rattle when I cranked the fan to high. In my bedroom test, this was the quietest of the traditional window units, humming along at 52 decibels. It's a very smooth sound, if that makes sense, no high-pitched whirring. I noticed the effortless temperature control actually works. It didn't just blast cold air constantly, but rather cycled on and off to keep the room at exactly where I set it. Another huge plus was the auto restart. We had a brief power flicker during a storm, and the Frigidaire popped right back on with my previous settings. I didn't have to get out of bed to fix it. This is the perfect choice for a nursery or a bedroom where you're a light sleeper and need that extra bit of quiet. It's efficient, reliable, and the extra long power cord meant I didn't have to use a sketchy extension cord to reach my outlet. If you're worried about losing your window view though, the next one on my list has a design that completely changed how I think about window units.
Product number 4. Garvey 6000 BTU U-shaped window AC. The design of this Garvey unit is wild. It's shaped like a giant U, and when I set it up, I realized the window actually closes through the middle of the unit. This means the noisy compressor stays outside while the cool air stays inside. It's heavy and a bit more involved to install, but once it was in, I could actually open and close my window normally, which is a total game changer for fresh air. The performance is incredible. Because of that U-shape, it is whisper quiet. I measured it at 51 decibels, but it feels even quieter because the loud parts are muffled by the glass. It cooled my 250 square foot master bedroom easily. I spent an afternoon playing with the 6 different modes, and the energy saver mode was surprisingly effective at keeping the room cool without running up my electric bill.
It also looks much sleeker from the outside compared to those big white boxes hanging out of a house. If you want the absolute quietest window experience and you still want to see out of your window, this is the one to buy. It feels like a high-end piece of tech. Now, if you have a massive room or a studio apartment, you're going to need a lot more power than a 6,000 BTU unit can offer.
Product number 5, Serene Life Portable 10,000 BTU AC. This Serene Life unit is a beast. It's taller and sleeker than the Shinko, with a cool white and gray finish that doesn't scream appliance. When I moved it into my large living area, about 400 square feet, I could feel the air moving immediately. It has these automatic swing vents that move up and down, which really helps circulate the air so you don't just have one cold spot in the room. What impressed me most during my week with it was the dehumidifier. It can pull a ton of moisture out of the air, perfect for those sticky July afternoons. The digital touch panel on top feels very modern, and the remote gives you full control over the swing mode and the timer. Even though it's a 10,000 BTU powerhouse, the noise level stayed around 55 decibels, which is impressive for something this size. It's heavy at 46 pounds, but the side handles made it easy enough to maneuver into place. This is the heavy hitter. If you're trying to cool a large master suite or an open concept living space, the Serene Life is the way to go. It's powerful, looks great, and the 3-in-1 functionality means you'll actually use it all year round.
Those are the 5 units that actually survived my summer heat test. Whether you need a tiny window unit or a portable powerhouse, one of these will definitely save your sleep. Make sure to check the links in the description for the current prices and some more details. Stay cool.